Cass, it's great to see you. I'd like to introduce you to Cassandra Austin and to say welcome. And I'd love to know what your message is for International Chef's Day. It's been a while since we've had a chat, so I think this is an apt time to do it.
Yes, it's been a little while between glasses of champagne, Karen, but it's really nice to see you and to be here. And I think we're extremely lucky to have the camaraderie of chefs, and it's important that we look out for each other right now in these testing times. We provide a lot of good things for the community through food, and it's important not to forget, that we can love each other through food as well. Connects with creativity, innovation. It's self-care. Food is love, isn't it? We do great things, and I've been through food. I've been able to travel the world and meet amazing people all over the world. So I do think that's really important to remember. Yeah.
Oh, and very true.
And I think at this time, there's a lot of people who are probably in a dark place. And I would like to share, I've been there myself. I remember when I had my restaurant for 10 years, and this is very personal. But I got to the point that I was so burnt out, stressed out, overwhelmed, that one day on my way home from work, I saw a tree and I wanted to drive into it. And I realised then that I needed help. So I think it's really important, it's, to share these things. I'm sure we've all been there at some point. What we do is we give to everybody else, and sometimes we forget to give to ourselves. And I think it's really important for International Chef's Day as a community to look after each other and remember that, we're here to help each other stick together. And I do love that the ACF has given a free membership to youngsters, and I think that we need to be here to mentor and help each other. I just had a beautiful reach out this week from a girl I mentored in Guam, who's now the culinary director for the college, and she's asked me to speak for the students. And isn't that, a beautiful thing? So it's lovely to be back here and connect with people. And I know I'm up here in Queensland. I'm sorry, I feel luckier than some of you, but hang in there and stick it out. Okay, just be there and stick together. We can really do some powerful things, and look at what you can do, not what you can't do. Look after yourself, then you can give to others. Happy International Chef's Day.
And Cass, from me to you, happy International Chef's Day too, and thank you for your time today and for sharing some very personal stories. So happy International Chef's Day.
No, it's important to connect, and that's what we can do. So we connect through food, agriculture, travel. We get to have so much fun. Come on, how much fun do you have in a kitchen, really? Come on.
It's the place to be, isn't it? You can be innovative, experimentative, and have fun.
Yeah, not sedentary. You don't have to sit in an office chair. And we have more fun in one day than you can have in a week. And innovation right now is if you can't get out there and do stuff, you can still use this, and you can still, there's so many things that you can do. So let's just do that and stick together and see how you can give to someone else and help someone else. And through that, beautiful things will happen and grow. So yeah, good to see you. And you too, Vanessa. Good to see you again.
Thanks, Cass.
Thank you.
All right, we done?
Yep.